Hi everyone, my name is Key Capri for those of you who don't know, and I will be giving a product review on this cute little gift box that I purchased from Sephora a few days ago. With Valentine's Day just a few days away, couldn't help but to grab this box. It definitely is an eye catcher. The gift box is called Sephora Favorites, Give Me Some New Lip, and it is on the market for $28. In this box we have a full-size tube of Smashbox metallic lipstick. We have a full-size Marc Jacobs lip pencil. We have a Fenty Beauty Mattemosille lipstick. We have treStiQue lip balm and Huda Beauty lip strobe lip gloss. Okay, well, let's start with what I'm currently wearing. I am currently wearing the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe Lip Gloss in the color Snobby. For those of you who don't know, the brand was developed back in 2013 by Dubai-based beauty influencer Huda. This lip gloss in particular is a metallic lip gloss that has a semi-sheer light pink appearance with like a tad bit of gold pearls mixed into it. What I loved about this product in particular is it did not leave my lips feeling sticky. It also lasted a very long time without me having to touch it up. Even after drinking and eating, it still was there. On top of that, it complements your favorite lipstick. The one that I used with it was Fenty Beauty by Rihanna's Candy Venom. I added like a really thin layer to the top of it, and it really made the lipstick pop. Like, I was in love with it. On top of that, it's currently on the market for only $18 for a full size. So this is definitely a fabulous find, and I recommend this product. Whether you buy the box or not, I would really recommend this product. My next fabulous find was this treStiQue Lip Plumping Lip Balm in the color Barbados Berry. For one, I found this packaging so adorable. I loved how small it was and how it was able to fit in my pocket and go with me wherever I went. On top of that, this lip balm gives off a very subtle pink color, as you can see. It's also infused with organic shea butter, maxi lip, and marine kaolin micro spears to keep your lips moisturized throughout the day. And it's currently on sale for $12. So this is definitely a fabulous find, because everyone knows it is very important to keep your lips moisturized, especially with these winter months. It's very easy to be walking around with some dry lips. So make sure you go grab this product also. The next item that was included in this box was the Marc Jacobs Beauty Le Marc Liquid Crayon in the color Night Mauve. This lip crayon is a part of a 10-shade collection. What I like about it is it's a matte product, but it gives off a pearl sheen appearance. It also didn't dry off my lips. And it's actually a liquid lipstick in the form of a crayon, which makes it sometimes easier to apply than the typical liquid lipstick. Overall, this was a very great product, and it's on the market for right now for $26. And as I mentioned before, this box alone was $28, so it's kind of like you get that lip crayon for free. That's why this box can't be anything else but a fabulous find, because you get a whole Marc Jacobs lip crayon for the price of the whole box along with other great products. Second to last, we have my favorite lip product that was included in the box. We have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mattemosille Plush Matte Lipstick in Candy Venom. This color is a part of a 14 shade collection that she released back in December. The actual color is like an electric pink. What I like about this product is it comes in a very slim tube, which makes it easy to apply and control where you're putting the product. It's very weightless and it gives a very clean matte appearance, and the retail full size price is $18, which is not bad at all, especially for the quality of this product. Last but not least, we have the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade XL. This liquid lipstick comes off as a rose gold. What I loved about it is it didn't smear or feather throughout my workday. I love the formula. It was not too heavy. And it gave off a very bold metallic look. This product is on the market for $24, and as I mentioned before, the box is $28. With that being said, what I liked about this box was the opportunity of sampling so many different brands, including my favorite, the Fenty Beauty. And something else I liked about the box was, of course, the price. $28, and they give you a full size Marc Jacobs lip crayon and a full size Smashbox matte lipstick. Like, you can't beat that. And on top of that, these were quality products. Most of these products in this box was marketed as matte products, and not only was there matte products, they did not dry your lips out, and they lasted a very long time. You can't beat that. This will conclude my product review. Again, my name is Ki Capri. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at KissedByKi and subscribe to my channel.